Let's start designing YouTube thumbnail. Bring a background of glowing graph and adjust it. Bring a main object in center and adjust it, and convert it to smart object. Put a YouTube logo on the face of man and bevel and dot embossed effect with inner shadow and drop shadow. Bring phone image in PNG, place it left, and use dot perspective tool to change its shape and view. Copy it to the right side and add dot drop shadow to both phones. Make a white rectangle and change its angle with perspective tool. Make a 2 copy of rectangle, one with dot low opacity and other with more low opacity. Click copy rectangle and press down arrow key and left key for 5 times. Do same for other copy. Copy all 3 rectangle together dot and place it on right side. Write a text with font iris bold etc. Press Ctrl T to transform text and hold Ctrl to change its direction. Bring arrow in PNG and place it dot with numbers with down point. Copy arrow in PNG and place it with numbers with up point and change color to green. Write another text with red gradient dot effect and inner shadow. Make a copy of text and change its color to dot white. Press down and left key 5 times. Make another rectangle and dot change its shape with perspective tool. Write text on rectangle and convert it to smart object and change its direction. Make a copy of text and change color to black and dot press down and left key 3 times. Make new layer behind man and make it whole black and put blend mode to screen. Take new empty layer and clip with it dot black layer. Now take gradient map with green color. Clip gradient with other 2 layers and make a group of all 3 layers. Now click on empty layer under dot gradient and start brushing behind man. Now bring particles background and put dot blend mid to screen with low opacity. Now press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt to make dot one layer and convert it to Smart Object. Put Camera Raw filter from Filters bar. Thank you for watching.